Xiaomi has officially launched the Redmi G Pro 32U 2026, a 32-inch mini LED monitor designed for gamers and content creators. The monitor is now available for pre-order in China at a price of 3,199 yuan, $468. Redmi G Pro 32U 2026 specifications. The Redmi G Pro 32U 2026 features a 31.5-inch QD mini LED display. It supports 2 refresh rate modes, allowing it to handle 4K resolution at 160 Hz and 1080p resolution at 320 Hz. It achieves a 1 millisecond GTG response time and includes support for AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, variable refresh rate, VRR, and auto low latency mode, ALLM. Xiaomi uses 1,152 local dimming zones with a QD mini LED backlight system to improve brightness and contrast control. The display reaches a peak brightness of 1,600 nits and maintains a minimum brightness of 0.001 nits, providing deeper blacks and greater detail in shadows. These features make it suitable for HDR content, and the monitor is certified for DisplayHDR 1000 and supports Dolby Vision, including Dolby Vision gaming. The QD Mini LED technology enables the monitor to achieve wide color gamut coverage. It supports 98% DCI, P3, 100% Adobe RGB, and 100% sRGB color spaces. The panel comes factory calibrated, ensuring a color accuracy rating of Delta 1. The monitor also includes gaming features like dark scene enhancement, crosshair overlays, and zoom assist, along with TV Rhineland-certified low blue light technology to reduce eye strain while preserving color accuracy. For connectivity, the monitor comes with dual HDMI 2.1 ports, 4K at 160 Hz, DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C with 90W charging, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It includes dual 5W speakers with DTS, X audio, and supports Dolby Atmos for external sound systems. Xiaomi Redmi G Pro 32U 2026 monitor. The monitor runs on HyperOS 3, offering smart capabilities such as switching between monitor and TV modes, accessing streaming services, utilizing XiaoAI voice commands, and integration with Xiaomi's smart home ecosystem. It is powered by a quad-core Cortex, A73 processor, and comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. The design includes an aluminum alloy frame, slim bezels, and RGB ambient lighting for a customizable look. The stand delivers flexibility with options for height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and pivot, as well as Visa mount support.